What is the best investment allocation for retirement? Let me show you in the next 1 minute using this AI advisor tool. Now you start with telling the AI advisor your age, how much you have right now, what retirement lifestyle looks like to you, in ringgit and cents. Don't forget inflation and how much you are saving or investing before your ideal retirement age. I assume that you're fully aware of your current allocation of your retirement portfolio. You have different investment or asset classes with its own expected returns. Else, if you feel if your investment portfolio for retirement is a bit too confusing even for yourself to even come up with a number, or you want to know what are the things that you can further improve on, the low-hanging fruits, then I recommend that you pay for a flat consultation fee to a licensed and certified advisor like myself, perhaps, to get this sorted out. Now, that being said, the best investment allocation depends on how much you are spending and how far you can tolerate downside volatility. Speaking from experience, two clients can be from the same age and similar net worth, but what they eventually agree as the best investment allocation that works for them is entirely different, as they need to see how will their entire retirement roadmap looks like using this AI retirement tool. And then from there, find a sweet spot or the best investment allocation out of it. Be mindful though, if you feed rubbish into any AI tool, you will get rubbish outputs or rubbish recommendation. So get your numbers as accurate as possible when you use this tool. Now, this AI advisor tool is fast, is at your fingertips, that kind of convenient, yet it's powerful to plan a lot more complex financial scenarios, which not only reveals the problem if you have any, but it also gives you the solution. And yes, I created this AI advisor income calculator tool to construct and analyze even more detailed retirement plans or roadmaps for my own clients. Even lets you visualize the status of your retirement funds over time. Comment retire if you want to use a live version of this tool free of charge, even if you're not a client. Follow to see more financial planning scenarios like this.